Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to the In the Zone Daily ACD Recap for Wednesday, June 8th, 2016. In these recap videos, I go over the best ACD setups that occurred on this day. And these videos are intended to show you the types of trades the ACD method offers on a daily basis. Let's take a look at today. Now, today's video is going to be pretty short and sweet because not much happened today, but I will point out a couple of places that you could have possibly taken some trades. However, days like this are very hard to trade. This morning we had a pivot range that was supposed to be resistance because we closed below it. However, we opened inside that pivot range and then pushed above it pretty quickly this morning. So at that point, you're going to start to look at that pivot range as support. Okay, and so price pushes up pretty strong this morning. Doesn't quite make it up to the A up, so there's no opportunity to fade the A here. Rolls back over, puts in a new low, and this is basically its initial balance. And we stayed in that initial balance for most of the day. Okay, there was an opportunity here to fade this pivot range. You know, you could have gotten on board here at the daily pivot, used a stop back below the pivot range, and caught a little push here. And again, it happened here. Now this one traded below the pivot range. It could not close the bar below the pivot range and then bounced off. And by this time, you probably should have figured out that we were going to be trading within the initial balance and having a rotational type of day. And price pushed back up here, back down, back up, back down, went nowhere. If you look at the Mark Fisher's ACD method, this is a macro score 0 day. Okay, if you were to look at it in terms of market profile, you basically have a neutral day because you've traded on both sides of the initial balance. Okay, so it's the same thing. Both methods are telling you the same thing. It's a neutral day, and these days I find very hard to trade. You know, I like trades that will push in one direction and get rejected and move the other way, or you know, a trending day where you get an A, you know, a confirmed A, and that continues in that direction. These types of days make it very hard to trade. So that's going to do it for today. Like I said, not much to talk about today, and we'll try it again tomorrow. Okay, guys, see you later.